Good day and welcome everyone. This is my 1300 Yamaha V-Star, or they call it a Midnight Star. This bike is beautiful to ride. The only challenge I have, or a discomfort that I have with it, it's the handlebars, the width of the handlebars. And I've adjusted the handlebars to the front, to the back, to try and make it more comfortable for me to reach. Now I'm a short person, so I find I have to always have my arms outstretched, to reach. So after a long ride, then I need to always flex my arms. So I'm gonna try and make myself a new handlebar that will be suitable for my arms. So I went and got myself this cheap pipe bender from a second-hand store. It had some oil leaks, so I replaced the seals, and now I'm gonna put it to test and see if I can make myself handlebars. Okay, they're done. I'm gonna fit them on the bike so I can cut them to length and see how that works. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. I've cut it to length, fitted it on the bike just loosely, and now I will take it off, drill it for the handles, mark everything. Then I must put at the end there places where to, I don't know, weld a nut or something like that inside here for the end pieces. I hope it's gonna look great. Okay, here's the comparison between the two handlebars, the original and the one that I've just made. Well, I've not sent it out for chroming yet. Chroming, they say, is gonna take weeks, so I wanted to clean this out and put it on the bike so I can test it and see if it gives me the results I expected before I can send it out for chroming. So yeah, I'll fit it on the bike and I'll show you guys. Oh well, there we are. I ended up putting the original handlebars, but I used the ones that I made to get the angles right. So what I did is I just straightened that up because that was going down, so I lifted that up to be more or less the same as the new handlebars that I'd made. And I didn't go with those because I didn't like the price for chroming and the time I'm gonna wait for them. So tested this, took a nice ride, and they are very comfortable. Thank you all for watching. Till next time, bye.